Physics Mirror Chapter Numericals. An object is placed at a distance of 40 cm in front of a concave mirror of focal length 20 cm. The image produced is of what nature? Let us calculate. First, the object distance u. The object distance u is 40 cm. But we have to write as minus 40 cm because the object distance is taken as negative in the mirror convention. Next, focal length. Focal length is given as 20 centimeter in the question. But we have to take as minus 20 centimeter because focal length of a concave mirror is negative. So, focal length is equal to minus 20 centimeter. Now, using the mirror formula, 1 by f is equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u. What is f? Minus 20 is equal to what is v? V is the image distance. We don't know that. Next, u. What is u? U is the object distance minus 40. So, 1 by v minus 1 by 40. I am writing this as minus 1 by 40 is equal to minus 1 by 20. I am writing this as minus 1 by 20, which means 1 by v is equal to minus 1 by 20 plus 1 by 40. So, taking LCM as 40, 22s are 40, 41s are 40. So, which means 1 by v is equal to minus 2 plus 1 by 40, which means 1 by v is equal to minus 1 by 40. Reciprocating, we get v is equal to minus 40 centimeter. That is image distance v is equal to minus 40 centimeter. So, image distance is in negative. This means that the image form is at the same side as that of object. Image formed the same side as that of object, which means the image is real. Next, we have to calculate magnification. So, magnification formula m is equal to minus v by u. So, what is v? V is minus 40 we got. What is u? U object distance given as 40 centimeter in problem. So, minus 40. So, minus 1. Magnification is minus 1. Magnification of minus 1 indicates that the image is of the same size of the object and it is inverted. So, what is the nature of the image? The nature of the image is real, inverted and as that of same size as that of object. Same size as that of object.